Hi everyone, welcome to Naa's Kitchen once again. I hope you're keeping safe, doing well. Today we have on the menu a classic pancake. Very classic, basic, but I know you're gonna love it and your family will love it too. So let's just get started. For the ingredients, we have 2 cups of pancake mix. You can use any pancake mix at all. Anything goes. I have about 2.5 cups of milk here. I might or might not use everything. I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and I have a whole egg. So let's just get started. So we start off with our pancake mix, and then follow up with cinnamon powder. And then I come in with my whisk. So next I go in with my milk and I mix it up. I need to add some more milk. So the texture I'm looking for is kind of like a paste. So this is what I want to see. Then I go in with my egg. This is exactly what I want to see when I put in my egg. So I come in with a little bit of milk because I need a little bit of milk because like you can see here, it's way too thick. I need it to be thick but not too thick. So I come in with just a little bit more. So at this point, we've used about 2 cups of milk. So here we have it, friends. This is the texture I've been waiting for. So with the 2 cups of pancake mix, we mixed it up with 2 cups of milk. So that's it. So let's go frying. So my pan on medium low heat, I'm gonna go in and spray it. If you have olive oil, you can use it. Whatever oil you have, vegetable oil or whatever oil, you can just use that. I'm just using a spray oil. So I come in with my pancake. So I'm turning my pancake. And I leave it to rise on its own until it's all cooked. So our pancake is ready. We're about to take it out of the pan. So we're taking it out because our pancake is ready. Here we have it, friends. Our pancake is ready. Our cinnamon classic pancake is what we have right here. It looks really appealing. Can't you see? I hope you're inspired to try it. And if you do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope to see you again in my next video. But before we do that, let's just do this. Bye.